Welcome to our channel! In today's video, we're diving into how you can easily clone tickets in HubSpot using the CloneNer app by 4 CRMs. If you're managing multiple customer support requests or similar tasks, CloneNer will save you tons of time by making ticket duplication a breeze. Let's get started. Why so many users around the globe choose CloneNer? CloneNer is a HubSpot certified app designed to help you duplicate records effortlessly, whether it's deals, contacts, companies, or tickets. It's the go-to solution for efficiently managing recurring tasks and cases without the hassle of starting from scratch. Before diving deeper into the management of duplicate tickets, it's essential to understand what tickets are within the HubSpot CRM. Tickets are a fundamental component of HubSpot's customer support and service hub. They serve as a centralized system for managing customer inquiries, issues, and support requests. To get started, make sure you have the CloneNer app installed. Once installed, navigate to your HubSpot dashboard and go to the Integrated Apps section. Here, you'll see CloneNer ready to use. Let's say you have a support ticket that you need to duplicate. Start by locating the ticket you want to clone. Click on the ticket to open it. Now, with the ticket open, use CloneNer's simple interface to start the cloning process. Click the Clone button and you'll have the option to decide what details to duplicate. You can choose to keep the same associations, properties, and custom fields. Just pick what you need and click Confirm. Once all details are set, click the Clone Ticket button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the new ticket has been successfully created. You can click on the link to view the newly duplicated ticket. That's it! Surprised how easy it is to clone tickets via the CloneNer app? If you haven't already, you can find CloneNer in the HubSpot app marketplace. It's easy to set up, fully integrates with your existing HubSpot environment, and comes with great support to help you get started. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know if this video was helpful or if there are specific topics you'd like us to cover. Your feedback helps us make the app even better.